Day in the life of a
Hey, what's up? It's okay if I record in here, right? Ryan and cats and dogs out here, guys. But today that day, dropping that celica off to get diagnosed. Today that day. Yes, I. Ryan like a fool. Sheesh. Get with y'all when I pull up to the shop, gang. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. On one we go. Camera rolling. Woke up with a mission, had a whole plan made. Life laughed back and sent me down another highway. Left the cut early, coffee in the cup. Said I was going one place, now I'm somewhere else. What up? Started at a detail shop, learning every trick, buffing paint, cleaning wheels, trying to make it stick. Then the car shows came every weekend on the move. Camera in my hand, trying to find another view. Celica GT, midnight blue paint. Didn't have a lot, but I did what others ain't. Showed up anyway when they said I couldn't hang. Years later, still rolling, now they know the name.
Every road got a story, every turn got a view. Never know where I'm headed when I pull out and go through. Day in the life of one, camera rolling till the day done. Some days sunshine, some days storms come. Either way we still on one. Day in the life of
Cars, people, roads, and some dumb stuff. Lead a cut with a destination. Life changed before I'm halfway done. Medicine ball run, now I'm spotting old Chevrolets. Coolant light on, now I'm scanning fall codes all day. Moving mom across the bridge, talking Johnny Cash. Look up, red race car, had to hit the gas. Weather getting crazy, traffic slowing down. Police on the shoulder, lights spin around. One day BMW, next day Celica. Different lane, same mission, same camera. Hundreds of car shows, thousands of miles long. Couple million memories buried in the vlog. They ask what's the niche, I just laugh and say I'm documenting life every time I pull away. They say pick a lane, I say carve one out. They say what's the plan, I say we'll figure it out. They say what you feeling, I say whatever I see. Day in the life on one, just a human being.
it got clear. Windows fogging up. Broke that celica out on y'all. And to see what it's hitting for. Check them out. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up? It's okay if I record in here, right?
Sorry?
It's okay if I record in here?
What for?
Just for my vlog.
Okay.
I'm scheduled to drop the celica off. Yes.
Check engine lights on, stalls at times. Sometimes restart's okay, but sometimes you have to wait about 30 minutes for it to restart okay.
Yeah, and I got a broken key. You have to put it in this way.
You gotta have it in the lock?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all I need?
Yeah. We'll
All right.
look at it in the next.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. There she go. What you doing? You back in the car. Hey, why you pull over there? Why you pull over there? Golly. Back in the garage. Yes, sir.